Well, good morning. It is an allergy day in Oklahoma. Look at these eyes. The wind was blowing so bad. And so they are on fire. On fire. I'm going to bring y'all over here and get you down into the bowl. We're going to have some French toast this morning. So I'm going to make some buttermilk syrup. I'm starting out with a stick of butter. I'm going to get that going. Get it to melting. We're also going to use a cup of granulated sugar. I'll be putting in a teaspoon of light corn syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of buttermilk. And after we get it all cooked, I'll throw in a half a teaspoon of some baking soda, but we'll show you all of that. I just got to get this to melting. I'm going to put it on high for a second to try to get it going. You're also going to need you a jar. And this is just an old jelly jar that I washed to keep it in. Because I won't use all of this in one deal. And you can put it in the refrigerator and it should last you for 3 or 4 weeks. And then you can just take it out and pour some into a little jar or a little microwave safe bowl and just heat it up to make it warm again. Okay, now, since it's almost melted, I'm going to turn this up 1 notch. Alright, that butter is good and melted. Putting in a cup of sugar. A teaspoon of corn syrup, light corn syrup. A teaspoon of vanilla. And a half a cup of buttermilk. And this buttermilk, I didn't have any because the grocery store, every time I go, they're out of buttermilk. But this, I get that powdered buttermilk so that I can have some on hand in times like this. I prefer to make this with real buttermilk, but this is still really good. I'll show you that powdered buttermilk that I get. So now that I've got all these ingredients in here, I'm just going to stir. I'm going to use this hand so y'all can see. Just got to keep stirring because all that sugar in there, you do not want it to stick. You don't want to burn that butter. I'm just going to cook it until it just starts to boil, and then I'll take it off this heat. It gets a little bit foamy. I hope you can see that. I'm sorry. See how foamy it got? And that's ready. Just gonna keep it over here. And it's ready for our French toast. This is that buttermilk I was telling you about. It's just a powder. And once you open it, you just keep it in the refrigerator. Alright, our syrup is nice and cooled off. So I am going to jar it up. And then put it in the refrigerator. And this will last 3 or 4 weeks in there if you don't eat it all. It is yummy on pancakes and waffles, French toast. Just so yummy. Here we go. Y'all go make you some. Bye.